Eating meditation. Eating is a wonderful opportunity for mindfulness. So often we snatch a meal hurriedly, perhaps while also watching TV, having a conversation, or making sure others are fed, perhaps all of the above at the same time. Practicing a few minutes of mindful eating, as in this exercise, allows us to bring the skill of mindfulness to some part of our meals if we wish to. This helps us to step out of automatic pilot, be more present, feel more connected to our experience, and perhaps enjoy food more. If you need, you can pause this recording now while you take a moment to get something to eat. First, look at the food. Notice the color. The shape. The folds. Then pick up the food. Feel the texture of the food. Or perhaps the utensil in your hand. Smell the food. Notice any aromas. Bring the food to your mouth. Begin slowly chewing and notice the burst of flavor. Even if you're tempted to reach for more while you're still chewing, notice that. Chew this bite fully and swallow before reaching for more. Here's something we might do mechanically, not really being present for, not feeling fulfilled by because we're not really there. We're turning that tendency around by training ourselves to be present. Coming into the moment, paying attention to actual experience, fully experiencing the simple things in life.